Back like we never left. But it's good, everybody. Today's video, yep, the narcissists know exactly what the fuck they are. Now, you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. You know that this is how they get so many chances, right? Why so many new supplies give them a shot? Why they keep getting good jobs? Forgiveness from everybody else? Because they've been on a generational run of running this game for so long that it's coded into their DNA. To play dumb, to not know what the fuck you're talking about, to play the victim or the superhero in their stories, yet never ever ever be the villain. So let me get this straight. Somebody convinced you that the narcissist wasn't aware. Okay, cool. Let's fact check this real quick. First, how did the narcissist act out in public when y'all were around friends and family? How were they at that networking event you had to go to? How'd they act every day when they went to work by themselves? Grocery store, gas station, anywhere that there are people. And now I want you to juxtapose that with the way they treated you behind closed doors. All the times they didn't let you sleep, argued you down about silly shit, gaslit you through texts and phone calls as to give you anxiety the whole fucking day because you knew when you got home some bullshit ass argument was going to ensue. About the way they manipulated you into taking accountability for their fuck ups, shamed you, belittled your wins in life, isolated you from those that were closest to you. See, because I was under the impression they were not aware, but somehow, some way they can portray the supportive partner or spouse out in public, act normal and regulated as a person around their coworkers at work, but act a whole ass in front of you. And this is where people who don't have to live your truth, who don't see what happened behind those four walls, who weren't present during the abuse, the gaslighting, the shame fest that happened every day, don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Yes, the narcissist knows. If they didn't, how come they didn't do it in front of everybody else? So they're crazy behind closed doors, yelled, raged out, yet in public can magically suppress all of those emotions? They know that they're manipulative. Act so apologetic in front of a judge or a lawyer, at the family cookout, when your kids are around, but when you're alone, turning into a bull in a china shop, complaining about the very people whose faces they just smiled in 15 minutes ago. Nah, don't you fall for that okie doke. Only you and select other victims that have been pulled into this shit know the real truth. And that's why so many survivors don't speak up, because everyone else has a perception of who they are, but no earthly idea what you fucking live with daily. The saddest part about all of this shit is that the levels of crazy we feel piecing this shit together like a puzzle, the amount of justifying and explaining that we do, the amount of anxiety, the lack of self-worth, and the nervous system dysregulation were all the signs that this shit was off. But you know how us empaths gonna do it. Oh, savior complexes, being the go-to person, we think we can handle it until we literally can't. Until we are literally exhausted and running for our fucking life because you realize this monster is only out here to fucking destroy you. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.